It's a Infinity 2014 qx50. It's doing a thermostat, right? So, got like 3 bolts in there. It's 10 millimeters. All you're gonna do is take out this 10, this 10. That's an 8 millimeter. Unplug that. You gotta lift this up to get to that one right there. Pop that out. Take the clips off. That's a 10, that's a 10. Pull that off. Slide all that up. Yeah. Take this hose off. And then you got your bolts right there. Thermostat right there. That's 1, 2, 3. So it's just 3 bolts like that. 1, 2, 3. It's got a gasket. That's the new gasket. It's got a pull up the film. It's like a sticky side on the back. I unplugged the sensor too. And then your 3 holes right there. Clean it up a little bit. Make sure you ain't got no dirt and stuff right there. That look pretty clean. The surface is clean. So now go ahead and put this bad boy back on, tighten it down, you're good to go. And then when you crank it up, take the cap off, start the car, bleed all the air out, and then top this off. Once the thermostat opens, you're good to go.